Hey there! Are you looking for a job you can do online? How does getting paid $25 an hour to reply to Facebook comments sound? Or how about earning $30 per hour as a live chat support agent? We specialize in helping connect people like you who are looking for a simple, honest online job that they can do from home with businesses who want to hire you. Since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, more businesses than ever are allowing their employees to work remotely from home, which is great news for you. Right now, there are thousands of businesses all around the world looking to hire remote workers on a full-time, part-time, and freelance basis. If you've always wanted to make money with an online job that does not require you to leave your house, there's never been a better time to get started than right now. All you need to do is take our short survey below, which takes less than 5 minutes. Based on your answers, we will find you the perfect online job that you can start getting paid to do immediately, even if it's 2 a.m. So what are you waiting for? Take the short survey below. Let us find your perfect online job, and I'll see you on the next page in a few minutes.